Hey guys! Welcome to my channel. Before we start, make sure to like and subscribe before Miss Circle catches Abby. I wanna tell you guys, we are on our way to 1,000 subscribers. So let's make it possible before the end of 2024. When I was on my For You page, I came across this video. It was called The Infinite IKEA, aka CCP 3008, and it said it was found footage. I knew this was fake cause they used like vintage skills, but throughout the video, this gave me nightmares for a whole week. It was one of the IKEA workers, but I laughed cause it had chicken legs. I'm gonna show you the video, but if you are ages 4-7 watching this, you should probably ask your older sibling to watch this with you. Warning, not for little kids ages 4-7. Watch at your own risk. Don't worry, I'll be reacting with you guys. Scary music. Funny story of how I went to IKEA. You must try their sugar cookies. They're so good. I love furniture at IKEA. Rooms give me dream core. Oh look, it's the information stand. Warning, here comes scary part for little kids.
The store is now closed. Please exit the building.
That was Mr. Chicken Legs I was talking about. Bye guys, see you in next vid.